Is the Nintendo Switch 2 still worth it with its new price? This honest look at the Nintendo Switch 2's recent price hike reveals a dramatic shift, with the console jumping to a surprising $500 starting September 1st, 2025. Originally launched at a stable $450, this $50 increase marks a significant change for the beloved gaming system. The core reason? A devastating global memory shortage, dubbed RAMageddon, primarily fueled by the surging demand for AI data centers. This crisis has driven up RAM and SSD costs, making gaming a luxury hobby. While Nintendo initially navigated tariffs under President Donald Trump to keep its launch price, market conditions have finally caught up. This isn't just a Nintendo problem. Sony's PS5 Pro and Microsoft's Xbox Series X/S have also seen price adjustments, and Valve even delayed its Steam machine. Before you decide to buy, be sure to check the description below for links to the best deals on the Nintendo Switch 2 and see if the new price fits your budget. Learn why this price jump could forever change the gaming landscape.